air or oxygen. Okay, in presence of air or oxygen with the release of heat and light energy. Heat energy means heat will be produced. Light energy means what? When it will burn, a light energy also produced. So with the release of heat and light energy. Okay, with the release of heat and light energy, okay, is known as flammable substance. They are known as flammable substance. Okay, so burning of a substance with the in the presence of air or oxygen with the release of heat energy and light energy is known as flammable substance, are known as flammable substance. For example, we all know example is paper, wood, okay, charcoal, okay, petrol, etc. Okay, all these are the flammable substance. All these are flammable substance. They are burned in the presence of air and oxygen. Okay, and few are known as non-flammable substance. Non-flammable means which do not burn. Okay, non-flammable substance. Non-flammable substance means what? Burning the substance which do not catch fire. Okay, substance which do not catch fire in presence of oxygen or air is known as non-flammable substance. These are non-flammable substance which do not catch fire in the presence of oxygen and air. The example of non-flammable substance are metal substance like iron, gold, silver. Okay, iron, gold, silver, etc. Examples are given there in the book. You can study from there. So these are known as non-flammable substance. Okay, clear? Now we have to study about sources of heat energy. There are 3-4 sources we know about the heat energy. First one is the sun. Sun we all know, we all have studied in our in class 6 that sun is the prime source of heat energy, prime source of energy. Okay, why? Because in sun what happens? There is a fusion of hydrogen atoms. Because of the fusion of hydrogen atoms, what happens? There is an enormous amount of energy created in the sun, which it gives in the form of light energy. Okay, so and because of that light energy, that solar energy, which is also known as solar energy, because of that what happens? Many other forms of energy exist because of that only, like tidal energy. Okay, because of the sun only, when sun will produce give light, what happens in surrounding, the air will start blowing. Because of that, tides also carries huge amount of energy. Okay, tide currents and all. Okay, then wind energy because of the sun. Okay, so electric which we get because of the sun, many things. Okay, there are many sources of energy which are dependent on sun. Okay, so sun is the prime source of energy that we have studied already. Okay, in our class 6th, you all know that. I have already explained that. Now second, earth. In earth also, in the if we will go deep inside the earth, you all have studied below that mantle, crust and all. What happens? There is a enormous heat energy is present over there. Okay, because of the enormous heat energy, what happens? That current, that layers of current, that earth, what happens? They magma and all that made up, okay, in the liquid form, lava and all that is created deep inside the earth. Why? Because of the enormous amount of heat energy only. Okay, so it is also a source of heat energy that is from inside the earth. Okay, because of that only geothermal energy you all have heard. If not heard, then you will study in your higher classes. Because of the earth. Okay, hot spots and all is created, okay, because of the energy by the earth. Okay, then third is biogas. Okay, biogas you all have heard. If you don't know, I am going to explain what is about biogas. Biogas means what? Cow dung, गोबर जिसको बोलते हैं, cow dung, गोबर है ना, वो क्या होता है? That cow dung is dammed at one site. That means cow dung means गोबर क्या होते हैं, जो गाँव में आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, जो लोग गए होंगे, नहीं गए होंगे तो आप लोग जानते होंगे क्या होता है। जो लोग गाय वाय का पालन करते हैं, गौशाला बनाते हैं, ओके, व्हाट हैपेंस, दे व्हाट डू, दे हैव अ, वो अपने एक घर के ही इर्द गिर्द क्या एक जगह ऐसी देखते हैं, वहाँ पे वो गोबर को बार बार वहीं पे ही डालते हैं। दे ऑलवेज थ्रो दैट काउ डंग एट दैट साइट ओनली, वहीं पे ही डालेंगे। ओके, सो उससे क्या होता है, कईयों सालों बाद वो क्या हो जाता है, वो गोबर काफ़ी ज़्यादा मात्रा में इकट्ठा हो जाता है। ओके, एंड that site which having a cow dung, and not only it have a cow dung, with that cow dung what happens, leaves, woods, okay, many other things, okay, they also mix with that cow dung. okay, पत्तियां हैं, फूल हैं, लकड़ियां हैं, ठीक है, मट्टी है, ये सब चीज़ें क्या हैं, वो सब उसी क्या है, गोबर से वहाँ पे मिल जाते हैं। बरसात होती है, बरसात में वो सब क्या है, पानी उसमें आ जाता है। बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हाट हैपेंस, केमिकल रिएक्शंस टाइप a reaction takes place on that cow dung. Because of that reaction what happens, a huge amount of energy, that means gas, created on that cow dung. Because of that what happens, a gobar, because of gobar gas, that gas which is created, because of that what happens, it has so much of energy that by this we can कुक आवर फूड। वाई? बिकॉज क्या, दैट गैस, उस गैस से क्या है, चूल्हा जल जाता है। जैसे हम लोग गैस सिलेंडर लगाकर चूल्हा जलाते हैं, वैसे ही उस गोबर की गैस से क्या होता है, उस प्लांट से गोबर गैस का पूरा प्लांट बना दिया जाता है। उससे क्या होता है, पूरा चूल्हा जल जाता है और बहुत से घरों में क्या है, उससे खाना बनता है गाँव में। ओके, सो इट इज़ अ वेरी efficient way of using energy. Okay, because it is a natural energy. Okay, it do not it is a eco-friendly energy, eco-friendly. Okay, it is eco-friendly energy. It is suggested to use cow dung or that means biogas. It is very helpful, it is very helpful to the surrounding, eco-friendly. Okay, so these are the prime source of energy which we have to study. Okay, there are coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum I have left. Coal and petroleum, you all know, coal and petroleum, what they have a they are flammable substance, they have a huge amount of energy. By this what happens, you all see that, we all see that vehicles and all, they all run because of the coal and petroleum. Because of the coal, electricity is produced. Okay, so many other things is happened, they all have enormous amount of energy. So these are the prime source of energy which I have explained. So unit 1 of chapter 5 is now completed. Okay, it is now up to you. Okay, I will suggest you to read once again, just not believe on the video. Okay, it is better, book is given to you all only for reading, just to understand. Okay, so read it properly, understand it, and see the video also. Okay, because it will be very helpful to you all. Okay, and if any problem, any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Okay, thank you.